Hello, future crypto millionaires. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to do some quick technical analysis on Theta network. And then, at the end of the video, I'm going to give you my price prediction for 2025. But before we begin, make sure that you join my Telegram group. There is a link in the description below. This is where I post all the trading setups and ideas that I am looking at every single day before I talk about them on YouTube. AI tokens, meme coins, gaming projects, RWAs, dipping, all that good stuff can be found on my Telegram group. It's free for now, but it's not going to be free forever. So make sure that you join as soon as possible. Also, please do me a solid and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Click the like button. Let's get straight into it. As you see here on CoinMarketCap, Theta network is currently ranked number 59. The price is at $1.92, 12.85% up for the day. And the market cap is sitting right below 2 billion at 1.92 billion. I know this market cap is kind of high compared to other projects that we've been looking at in this channel, but I really like the chart. It's currently at range lows, and it has some really nice rounded bottoms going on. Before we look at the chart on TradingView, let's look at what is Theta real quick. This is their website. You can find it at www.thetatoken.org. Look what it says here. The decentralized cloud for AI, media, and entertainment. So Theta is an AI token, guys. Many people don't know this. They have a Theta Edge Cloud. You can click on this link right here and visit the dashboard for AI developers. Also, they have a mobile edge node for Android that is now available. You can click on this link right here and download it. Scrolling down, you see that you can share your GPU for AI and video workloads to earn fuel. So if you're interested, you can download the Theta Edge node on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Android. Just click on the link that fits you and you are all set up. Scrolling down, you see they have a few articles that I'm not going to go through them right now in this video. I'm not going to waste time. You can do this on your own time. But what I wanted to bring to your attention is this right here. This is AA. I didn't even know what that is, but I Googled it. And this is the Creative Artists Agency. So the CAA left a comment here. And I'm sure that's a big thing, but I'm not familiar with them. So I'm going to skip this. I'm not going to read it. Also, if you click on the last comment that they received is from American Idol. And that's because, as we saw earlier, Theta is related to media and entertainment, right? But the most important thing is this one here. They have two comments from these two really big companies. One is Google and the other one is Sony. These two captured my attention, guys. So let's read these two. Google said, "We are impressed by Theta's achievements in blockchain video and data delivery. We look forward to participating as an enterprise validator and to providing Google Cloud infrastructure in support of Theta's long-term mission and future growth." So that's a big thing, guys. When Google, the biggest company on earth right now, mentions your company's name, that means something, right? Also, we have Sony. Look at this. At R&D Center, we share Theta Network's passion towards decentralized technologies and are excited about the possibilities which blockchain technologies can offer to creators and can provide effective tools for license and rights management. Sony is a very big company, guys, so that says something too. Of course, Google mentioning Theta's name is way more important in my view, and showing Theta's relationship to Google's cloud infrastructure is amazing, very bullish. This is their X account. You can find it at Theta_network. Look what it says here. Theta is the leading decentralized cloud for AI, media, and entertainment. They've been pretty active, posting every single day. Look at this post that was published on November 20th, a few days ago. Theta Edge Cloud has achieved significant momentum in academia and enterprise, with institutions like Seoul National University, University of Oregon, KAIST, and more using its hybrid cloud GPU infrastructure for AI research. From video to AI, Edge Cloud is the leading decentralized cloud. This is the post. Look at the names, guys. Korea University, Alpha Crypto, University of Oregon, Seoul National University, KAIST. Also, we have Sony, Decrypt, DAP Radar, Fuse. But the biggest ones are these down here, guys. Look, Google Cloud, Amazon Web Services. Microsoft Azure, Ether. These are all crazy big names. That's why I'm really bullish on Theta. Also, as you see here, on the Rex account, they have over 270,000 followers, which is a big community. I'm sure that's not a great representation of the huge community behind Theta. I think Theta must have way more followers than this. But it doesn't matter. The big names that they are partnered with are enough for me to be bullish on this token. This is the chart on TradingView. We are looking at Theta USDT daily chart on Binance. If we zoom out, we see that this token started trading on Binance on April of 2019. It was moving sideways for like over a year, for years, until 2021, when it experienced its first bull run, and it ran all the way up to $14.89. We saw a double top pattern here, which is a bearish pattern. This one is right here. People took profits, and since then the price action has been pulling back down. First into markdown phase, and then after the markdown phase ended, we entered the accumulation phase where the price action started moving sideways inside this accumulation zone. And recently, on March of 2024, Theta pumped a little bit when the rest of the crypto market experienced a mini bull run. We pumped all the way up here to $3.83. People took profits, price action pulled back again. So we had another short accumulation phase right here when the price action started moving sideways. But recently we broke above it. So if we zoom out, you see that we are currently at range lows. So we are still early. We have these two huge rounded bottom patterns going on. These cap patterns are my favorite, guys. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. These can be pretty explosive. We completed this first huge cap on March of 2024, and then we started forming another one here. So what I want to see is the price action to start moving upwards, something like this, to complete this cap pattern. And then, after this cap pattern is completed, I have the measured move for this target, which you can find if you take the distance from the neckline all the way up to the lowest point of this cap. You put it here on the breakout point, and approximately the measured move is at $7, okay? So this is the long-term target. It's going to take some time to play out, but as you see, there is a lot of room to grow here. If we zoom in, I gave you this setup a few weeks ago. I had this trend line here, and I told you, buy the breakout. Theta broke out, but huge profits we started seeing recently with this pump here that reached $1.93. So we are testing this Fibonacci level right now at $1.93. What I'm doing is I'm going to set my alerts right here in case the price action breaks above this level. So I can buy the breakout, scale in on the retest, and wait for a continuation move to the upside. But if we get rejected here, the best possible entry would be a pullback on one of these key support levels that I have here on the chart. The first one is all the way down here at $1.19, and the second one is at $1.52. I think it's more possible to see a pullback on this level, like a 20% pullback or something like that, 22%, forming basically something like a higher low. That's going to be pretty bullish. You see this? 20% move to the downside would be a pullback forming a higher low at $1.52 approximately. But if Bitcoin pulls back and the rest of the crypto market pulls back and things turn bearish in the short term, we might see an even greater pullback out of Theta soon. We might see a 40% pullback or something around these lines. So if the price action breaks below this key level of support at $1.52, expect more downside and watch for a bounce at this key level of support at $1.19 or 20 cents. Okay, guys, that's the best entry for now. A bounce here or a bounce here. So we are currently testing this Fibonacci level at $1.96. If we break above this, the next target that I have here on the chart is located at $2.51. And that's going to be a 27% move, guys. That's an amazing move out of Theta because Theta, as I showed you earlier, has a market cap of about $2 billion. So it needs some kind of liquidity to flow into this token in order to make moves, right? It's not easy to move, just like low caps that we've been talking about in this channel. However, I think Theta can do this. There is a lot of attention, especially recently, on this token. Many people are trading this. Investors' interest has been growing. So we can easily pull over a 28% move in the coming weeks or months, especially during altcoin season. I think Theta is going to skyrocket. The next target that I have here on the chart, after the $2.51 Fibonacci level, is located at $3. And the measured move from the current price levels, if we see a breakout, that's going to be a 56% move to $3. Amazing move, guys. Now, these moves can be explosive or they can take some time to play out. Okay, we might see like something like this. Nobody knows yet. That's why it's a very good idea, at least in my opinion, to scale in slowly into these projects. Don't just buy all in with one click, okay? Because that allows you to manage your risk. The next target, which is basically the neckline of this cup pattern, the smaller one that we are seeing right now, and this huge one that we saw before March of 2024. So this neckline is located at $3.83. And the measured move from the current price levels to the neckline is almost a 100% move, guys, 96.55%. And this is why we love pullbacks. This is why we love red candles in this channel. In this channel, we are wolves, guys. We buy fear. Because look at this. If the price action pulls back here and you accumulate some theta here on this bounce at $1.52, the measured move to the neckline, that's a 152% move, guys. So you make 50% more money than buying right here, now that theta has pumped already. So it's always a good idea to wait for a pullback. A higher low idea or something like that brings a lot of profits into your pocket. You can change your game. And these setups that I post on Telegram, if you see them pumping like that, I suggest you don't buy right away. Always wait for a pullback. It's going to change your game. It changed my game for sure. In the long term, after theta reaches that neckline, I expect it to break above it. Okay, we're going to see a breakout, maybe a retest, continuation move to the upside. The next target that I have here on the chart after the rounded bottom's neckline is located at $4.70. Look at this. From the current price levels, that's a 141% move. The next target is located at $5.83, and the measured move from the current price levels, that's a 200% move out of theta. The last target that I have here on the chart is located at $7, and the measured move from the current levels is going to be a 261% move, guys. However, if we see a pullback here, forming this higher low that I've been talking about at $1.52, the measured move to this target of $7, that's already a 371%, guys. Almost a 4x. Also, we might see an even greater pullback all the way down here at $1.20. The measured move from all the way down here to the $7 target, that's going to be over a 5x move. That's why we love scaling in on pullbacks. You see the difference, right? These are huge profits. Okay, so now I'm going to give you my price predictions for Theta for 2025. As you might have heard already, 98% of all crypto projects, guys, don't ever reach their previous all-time high that they put during a previous bull run. And that's kind of important to know, okay? However, I am pretty bullish on Theta. First of all, because Theta is an AI token. And secondly, because this token has huge partnerships. And everybody's trading this, I'm telling you. So I really think that Theta can reach that previous all-time high at $14.89. But for those of you who think that Theta can't do that, I have this price prediction here. This is a 5x move from the current price levels. And this is going to take us to the price of $9.62 approximately. If Theta pulls a 5x move, it's going to have a market cap of 9.6 billion. Okay, a little less than 10 billion. Now, if we take a look here on CoinMarketCap, we see that in 2021, Theta reached a market cap of almost 12 billion when the price skyrocketed all the way up here at $14.89. So that's my first price prediction, a 5x move at the price of $9.60 with a 9.6 billion market cap. But I have an even more bullish price prediction for Theta, which is a 10x move, surpassing that previous all-time high that we saw in 2021. So if Theta pulls a 10x move during this upcoming bull run of 2025, it's going to have a price of $19.20, and its market cap is going to be a little less than 20 billion. I did the math, and it's 19.1 billion, approximately. So these are the price predictions that I'm going to give you for now. I'm going to leave it at that. As the time goes by, I'm going to be posting updates on these setups. So make sure that you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you receive a notification when I post the updates. Also, please let me know in the comments below What is your price prediction for Theta for this upcoming bull run? I'm really interested to know because I haven't bought Theta at the bottom. So I am waiting for a pullback here in order to start scaling in slowly. So please let me know in the comments below. Do you think that the 5x move is too low for Theta? Do you think that the 10x move is too high? What is your price prediction for 2025? That's all I had for you today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.